Hey, I just got the TP-Link Deco BE25 Mesh Wi-Fi 7 system. It's a game changer for home entertainment.
Wait, what's so special about it? Isn't it just another router?
Not even close. It's a whole home mesh system with Wi-Fi 7 tech, faster speeds, better coverage, and no dead zones.
Wi-Fi 7? That sounds fancy, but do I really need it? My current router works fine.
Sure, if you're okay with buffering during Netflix or lagging in online games, but with Wi-Fi 7 you get speeds up to 5 Gbps, perfect for 4K streaming, gaming, and smart devices.
Okay, but isn't that overkill for just watching YouTube?
Not if you've got multiple devices. Think about it. Smart TVs, phones, laptops, security cameras, smart speakers, all fighting for bandwidth. This handles everything smoothly.
Fair point. But what about cost? These systems aren't cheap.
True, but think long term. No more dead zones means no need for extenders or extra routers. Plus, it's future-proof. You won't need to upgrade anytime soon.
Still not convinced. What makes it better than other mesh systems?
Good question. First, it uses Wi-Fi 7, which reduces interference from neighbors' networks. Second, it's designed for large homes, covers up to 5,500 CE with 3 units. And third, easy setup via the app.
What about offices? Is it good for work too?
Absolutely. Imagine video calls without freezing, fast file transfers, and seamless connectivity for everyone in the office. It's perfect for small businesses or remote teams.
But wouldn't an enterprise-grade router be better for offices?
Depends on your needs. For most small to medium offices, this is more than enough. Plus, it's plug and play, no IT guy needed. Just place the units around the office and you're done.
Okay, let's say I buy it. Any tips for setting it up at home?
Definitely. Start by placing one unit near your modem. Then spread the other 2 evenly across your house, like one upstairs and one in the living room. Avoid walls or metal objects blocking the signal.
Got it. And for the office?
Same idea. Place one unit in the main workspace, another in meeting rooms, and the third wherever employees are spread out. Make sure each unit is within range of the others for optimal performance.
What about security? Can hackers break into it?
Nope. It comes with WPA3 encryption and built-in antivirus protection. Plus, regular firmware updates keep it secure. You can also set up guest networks to keep visitors off your main network.
That's reassuring. Anything else I should know?
Yeah, use quality of service QoS settings in the app. Prioritize bandwidth for important stuff like gaming or video calls. Also enable Smart Connect. It automatically assigns devices to the best band for speed and stability.
Wow, you've thought of everything. But one last thing. How's the customer support?
TP-Link has solid support. They offer phone, email, and live chat. Plus, there's a 2-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So no risk.
All right, you've sold me. I'll order it today. Thanks for all the info.
No problem. Trust me, once you switch, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Enjoy your new Wi-Fi.